Welcome. In front of me I have the Garmin Instinct 3 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So, this is going to be the limited edition AMOLED device or version, as there's also like an LCD one, basically not AMOLED, and the limited just refers to the colors of the device. So anyway, popping it open, just a typical packaging for Garmin. We have the charging cable, Type-C to proprietary, some paperwork at the bottom, and there we go. And there is the watch itself. Let's also peel that off. Now we do need to plug it in to actually boot it up. So let's quickly do that. Please don't get stuck. There we go. Let's see if we can unplug it. Oh no, there we go. Not the best plug. So it's booting up. I want to point out one thing that won't be visible on camera, how light this is. It's much lighter than I expected considering the size. Like this is I'm rocking very, small arms right here. But yeah, this looks like a wall clock on my wrist, and it is super light comparatively to obviously the size. So something to keep in mind, maybe you're looking for something that feels a little bit more premium. I feel like things that have just a bit more weight usually feel more premium, and this device costs whopping $500. So it feeling kind of like it has nothing inside for $500 is a bit of a icky kind of thing, I would say. Additionally, these don't have a touch display. You can see I cannot scroll, so you need to use the buttons that are all throughout the device. So anyway, that's basically watch. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.